Hi guys, welcome to the Next Helmets YouTube channel. My name is João and I'm here to explain to you how to install the Pinlock on the Y.Travl visor. Start by cleaning the visor properly. Then try to align the pinlock cavities with the visor pins. Use your arm to stretch the visor and place it correctly. Thanks for watching this video. This is how you install the Pinlock on the Y.Travl visor. We have many more videos like this in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check them out. Have a nice ride.